How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Impossible Quiz Pre-Order book. We are on the chapter 1. Sorry, but the last episode was short because my capture, my AVC video editor don't want to record everything, so I must end it there. So let's do it. Chris! Previously. Aww, pure Chris. Pure Chris. No, don't. Come on. Don't eat him, please. What? Sky crabs. I skip. How many bits in a byte? Well, one. Depends on your. Okay, here we are. In the last question I skipped it. Not in game, which fuck it. Just press the M. Okay, I counted and it's this one. Yeah. It's time for flying. Use up and down keys to be the big superstar winner. Begin. Yay! I like this game. Impossible Chris. Extremely intelligent programming. Okay, that's cool. Come on. I can do it. I know I can. I like these games because this is unique. This is very old. Congratulations, you're a winner. Bested. Fuck you, bitch. A new firm found version. You must update to continue. Okay. Downloading. Basically. 5. Play. What shall we play? A quite fancy game of strip poker. Load. A game of strip poker. What's the name of the games do you think you're doing? Yeah, I did it. Holy shit. Program P go to the era. Version 61 to 70. How many cores? Ah, stop it. Okay. No, thank you. How many cores in the spectrum? There's 15. Kick some ass. Done. How the fuck? How do you read use hammer? You look away. There's no frame for it. 5 PS3. Question. What? What am I supposed to do here? Okay, here we are again. How many cores? Okay, wait. I did it. Holy shit. You're supposed to press up arrow. So, and this is a freaky question. So, in this shit, go up and you passed. What is the first book of the Bible called in Europe and Japan? The Mega Drive. What is the name of the prequel to Metal Gear Solid? Tetris. Metal Gear Placid. Thanks. Which planet is Neptune? 6-7. C plus I. Residential. Destroy the Sword of Blocks. What am I supposed to do here? No, nope. Don't you dare explode me, you fucking bomb. What? LOL 69. What the fuck? Well, I'm supposed to click the fucking question. Come on. Just why is it pink? Holy shit. I'm not gay. Come on, 69 times. Yeah. Back. Use our keys to eat all the tasty globs, don't get mauled by ghosts. Okay, let's play. Nope. Whoa. Nope. It's there. Haha. Fail. Shit. No. Come on. Piece of shit. Hate you. Come on, what am I? Okay, here we are. I'm afraid to press let's play. And this. Okay, let's go. Come on. Come on, eat them. Why the fuck are they faster than me? See? How the fuck am I supposed to survive that? See? They're fucking... Nope. 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 Definitely not. Here. 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 Eat. 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 Come on. I can do it. I know I can. Eat it. Okay, here we are fucking again. I will use this shit. Thanks. And let's play. Come on. Down. Thanks. Come on. Right there. Right there. And then fucking this. God damn it. How am I supposed to survive that? It's impossible. Come on, eat this. Eat those. I wanted to fucking... Come on. Oh, no, no. What the fuck was that shit? What the fuck was that shit? Okay, here we fucking are again. Let's do it. Come on, go down. Don't chase me, bitches. Come on. God damn you. How am I supposed to survive that? I have no million lives, you know? Come on. How the fuck did he know where the fuck will I go? And the most frustrating fucking game, the most frustrating question in this fucking game is this. Come on. Okay, this time I'm gonna use this shit. Now, let's go. This, because I don't like you. Ooh, I'm in nothing but trouble just for you. Ooh, don't fuck me, please. I will fuck you there. Oh my god, I can do it! Holy shit! I can't believe it. Sega. The Italy. Nope. 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 Don't fuck me. Don't. Okay, what is the name of the chapter 3 on the... There's one. This. Holy shit. This. Come on. Sing, cow. Or whatever you are. Come on. No. Nope. 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 What the fuck? What? Hell yeah, I did it again. Holy shit. Skip. Restarting. There's the title. Shoot you. Yay. Fucking alien. What? There's one. Oh god damn you. This. Okay, I can't play this shit anymore. Like and favorite if you enjoy. Subscribe to join the Game Strong Army. I'll see you in the next fucking episode. Bye. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Impossible Book, Chapter 1, Part 2. So, let me just... Okay, here we are, guys. Come on, I can do it. Okay, a few seconds. Come on. Kill those dogs. Big fat Tesla coil. Holy shit. Come on. Come on, Tesla. I can do it. Do you believe me, Tesla? Thank you, finally, piece of shit. How many keys do you need to make something unstable, man? Is there life on the Mars? There you are, little bitch. Oh no. Come on, die, piece of shit. To be continued, in Chapter 2, Diplomat's Guide to the Galaxy. I'll click here to play at 3-4 games. Oh god damn. Okay, I will play this shit. The whole game. Just with I must go to the fucking chapter 2. Come on, fuck up. Thanks. Okay guys, sorry but I have to end this episode here. Leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe to join the Game Strong Army today. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!